Hi, this is a video of how to create a Google Drive spreadsheet and embed it into a Xara created website. Um, as it's about embedding it in a Xara website, I'm not going to go into how to create a spreadsheet in Google, just enough to say that here is a spreadsheet that I've created in Google Drive. It's an events calendar, and it just has a column of dates, a column of times, a column for venues, a column for the name of the event, and a column for contacts. And I'm quite happy with that. Mess around with it, do what you want with it. Then you can go into File, Publish to the Web, and I want to embed it, so I click on the embed link there, and it says the entire document. Well, I just want this sheet one down here. I don't want the entire document. That can come in useful sometimes, but at the moment we just need this. And it comes up with this iframe text here, which if I select and go Control All, Control Copy, Control C to copy it, that's fine. I can just leave that now and go into Xara and go into a rectangular tool, and I'll make this rectangle like that. And if I click on there, I can go into the web properties. I can go into the placeholder tab, replace with HTML code body, and just paste that in there. Click OK, apply, OK. If I preview it, there's my spreadsheet. The problem is, and I don't know why Google does that, supplies that such a mean little code. It's a tiny little window, so you need to adjust the iframe code to give you a larger window. So you need to add a bit extra text to that iframe, and this is the text that I've got here. I'll just Control copy that, and basically it scrolling means no, so there's no scroll margins, there's no margin width or margin height, the frame border is 0, and then you just have these two attributes here, the height and the width, currently set to 570 pixels. Right, so if I return back to this one here, and we go back to edit that text, placeholder, what I'm going to do is just after that headers equals false, I'm going to go Control V and paste in that new text that we've got. The scrolling equals no, the margin height equals 0, margin width equals 0, and the frame border equals 0, and I can make that say 200, and I can make that 470, and I can click OK, apply, OK, and preview. That looks a bit better, but okay, we need to again resize it, and it's a matter of trial and error. So click on that, edit it, HTML code, and I'm going to go, I think it was 570, and I'm going to go 600. Okay, apply, okay, publish. So the width isn't quite right, and the height is fine. It's got a lot of blank space under here. Doesn't really matter. Let's go edit that again. And as I say, it's just a matter of trial and error, This time I've increased the width to 670 and I've reduced the height to 500. OK, apply, OK, and preview. And that's pretty much clear. You've got nothing over on the right here, and you've got some down on the bottom here, which will help you if you want to add additional columns. You've got additional rows. You've still got space to add additional rows on the thing. So if I can close that down again, then what I tend to do is, once I'm happy with the width and the height, and just go into placeholder, body, and look at the height and width I'm using, 500 and 670. 500 is the height, 670 is the width. Just cancel that. I then go into 500. Oh, sorry, it was 670, wasn't it? 670 was the width, and 500 was the height, if I'm correct. And I can just bring that down there. Let me test that out. Probably cock that up again. Oh no, that's fine. And you can see that fits in quite nicely. That goes down there well. The only thing that I dislike about it, I don't know if you're actually invalidating a Google Sheets terms and conditions, but I don't want that title up there, this demo for tag sheet 1, and I don't want this sheet 1 down the bottom here for this particular case. So what I tend to do is I'll make that yellow, put that over there, and I'll Control K to clone that and move this down the bottom here somewhere to cover that up. Then if I preview it, that was quite good. It was a good guess. That's covered up the title that says TG, whatever this title of the spreadsheet was. That's hidden that, and that's also hidden the other one. That, in fact, that was too good. If I move that up there, let's say, and do it, you can see that yellow box. I want to cover up this sheet 1, so I'm just undo that. Preview it, and you've got those two titles, bits that you didn't want hidden, and I can click that and shift click that, and I'm going to fill that with white. You can fill it with whatever colour that the background of your web page is, and again test and see, and there you can see that spreadsheet happily is contained within, as if it was part of your actual website, and that's the way I go about that. I hope this is an edit that I'm adding to the video. What I forgot to mention is it's quite simple then to go into Google Docs, Google Sheets, whatever it's called now, and change one of the dates or times or the venue and the events, or to add one or to delete one, and that will update each time, so you don't have to open Xara again. You just need to adjust the spreadsheet, and the spreadsheet is updated every 5 minutes to reflect any changes that have taken place. Hope that helped. Usual rambling and bumbling on, but it might help someone. So here's Egg. All the best. Bye.